The Propel Conference is all about helping you take your blog to the next level.
With expert speakers sharing high-level strategies, you will have solid takeaways that will enable your blogging business to soar. People come from the four corners of the world to attend the Propel Conference.
So we have come to a place called Rum Point to reveal where the next Propel will be held.
And it will be held in
The Cayman Islands!
Hi there, so we just wanted to introduce you to some of the activities that you'll be able to enjoy when you're with us here in the Cayman Islands.
There will be boat excursions taking you snorkeling and to Stingray City, where you can make some new friends. We'll also be helping the world's turtle population to thrive by taking part in a turtle release.
You can explore the Cayman Islands' heritage and history, be at one with the island's nature and its spectacular botanical gardens, where you can even see blue iguanas, which are only found here. Plus, there are some extraordinary opportunities for diving.
It is a gorgeous destination, but you can even visit a little place called Hell.
Welcome to Hell. Applications are now open!